You know how to do it, right? Wow.
No.
You gotta loosen this thing. Black thing.
Never gonna give you up.
Oh!
Never gonna let you down.
I did it.
Never gonna come around and desert you. Come on, do this.
Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna make you cry.
I don't know how to focus. This. Here, Natalie, you want to take a crack at it?
Is that what?
You want to take a crack at it?
All the way down.
Oh, look at that dog.
This will be fine. This will be fine.
Okay, we gotta roll it up.
How do we do that?
We gotta get this stuff inside. We gotta get the scissors inside before they go flying and like hit somebody in the face.
This is insane.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah. Oh man. This is.
How do you put it up?
How do you put it up?
I don't know.
I'm gonna go through the window. Look at the toy car on the ground.
What's this?
This is so scary.
In the time of a hurricane, Cady Garst and her older brother are putting up the sun side of oh crap, it's lightning.
Oh my god!
Alright, get indoors.
Look at that face! Look at that sincerely terrified face!
Get indoors. Get indoors.
I was stuck over there on this side. And there you have it. Another episode of When a Hurricane Strikes.
This is